Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about 250 watt metal halide LED retrofit kits. We have a number of different options. We have one, our universal. So for 250 watt metal halide, we would traditionally use our 60 to 75 watt LED retrofit kit. Comes with a driver, a universal mounting bracket that can be mounted horizontally or vertically, and has a lot of flexibility to it. This thing puts out around 10,000 lumens at 60 watt, so great light output. Or we have our 16 watt shoebox retrofit kit that comes in 100 watt. So if you are retrofitting a 16-inch shoebox, this kit works excellently. It comes with tabs so you can easily mount it in the face of the fixture, and a driver that attaches to up inside the fixture head. So we have multiple options, so give one of our salespeople a call, tell them your requirements, and they'll recommend the best solution for you.